Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just wanted to show you the MD cards that I made for our exchange. We are meeting this Saturday. My friend Ellen and Lisa and me. We're all going to meet, and our theme for this exchange is there's one for flowers and one for Mother's Day. So for those of you that might be new to my channel or not even knowing what I'm talking about, even if you're not new to my channel, Lisa, Ellen, and I are in a little club that we made up ourselves and we are exchanging the memory decks cards once a month. We're meeting the first Saturday of each month, and we are exchanging, and we have it all picked out through the end of the year, so we're super excited, and we hope to continue to do this even until next year. But I am going to show you guys what I made for them, and I found these little bags in my stash. They were from Cocoa Daisy. I used to do Cocoa Daisy, like I'd get their monthly whatevers and subscription box, and I have stopped doing that, but I still had a lot of these bags, and I still have a lot of the bags. So I am going to, I don't know why this one isn't in a little baggie. I don't remember what I did here, but it doesn't matter. Oh, because this one is Tracy's. This isn't Lisa's. Hold on. I'm like, what is going on? So Tracy, we haven't seen her for a couple of months. She's in it too, but she doesn't do the memory decks cards, although obviously I have some things for her. Here is Lisa's. This makes more sense. I was totally confused for a minute. So I have these little swing line Tot mini staplers, so I thought that they would like those, so I put one of those in each of their bags. And then, like I said, the themes were flowers, so this is my flower one. So this one is for Lisa, and this one is for Ellen. They're very, very similar, just a little different colors, but I thought they turned out really cute. And so you guys know, I am still doing the memory decks exchange or swap. If any of you guys would like to maybe swap, I would love it. And all you need to do is send me an MD card, and that is an opportunity for you to be picked to win 5 MD cards that I have made. So all of the ones that I'm showing you now are a possibility. You could win one of these as part of your 5, or you could win 5 of the ones that I'm showing you right now. I just make extra when I make them so that I have some that I can swap or give to a friend or whatever. So I usually make 4 of them, one for Lisa, one for Ellen, one for me, and one extra. So not every one of these probably has an extra, but most of them do. So, like I said, this is the flower one. This one's for Lisa. This one's for Ellen. And these are the Mother's Day ones. I love these. And you can pull this out. So I have Ellen, you are an amazing mom, XOXO. And then I have the same thing for Lisa. And I'm showing you these now because they will have gotten these before you guys see this, but I just thought that was really cute. So I have been putting, sometimes I'll put who it's for, sometimes I'll put to Ellen or to Lisa or whatever. And then, but I always try to remember to sign it and date it, or at least put my name. It's not really a signature, but I thought these turned out really cute. So that one's Ellen's, this one's Lisa's, and they just slide into that little teacup. Or coffee cup, but it's really a teacup because there's a tea in it. I forgot. So super cute. This one is Lisa's. This one is Ellen's. I need to switch these. Doop doop. And then I have, these are all extra ones that I wanted to get for them or give to them. So I have this one. It's a unicorn one, and it's unicorn and rainbows, and this is one of our themes, but I can do another one later. So it's always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. And then reasons to be a unicorn: stunning, fart glitter, poop rainbows, live forever, can fly, and a wicked horn you can stab people with. I just think that's funny. So that's for them. This one's Ellen's, this one's Lisa's. And then I did a cute summertime one for both of them. That one's stuck there. So it just says summer and poolside, and this one says fun in the sun and flip-flops. And there's a little paper clip on both of them. I just thought they were really fun and really cute. So that is those. And I even have an extra one of those. So if you guys are interested, again, make an MD card and send it to me. And this one's really cute. A good mood is like a balloon. All it takes is one little prick to ruin it, and it will pop the balloon. So I thought that was really funny. Kind of cute. Lisa and Ellen. And then lastly, I have these. Okay, it doesn't really matter. One is for Lisa and one is for Ellen, and it says the pages of yesterday cannot be revised, but the pages of tomorrow are blank and you hold the pen. Make it an inspiring story. So I thought that was really cute. So those are for them. And then I've already given Lisa her little holiday planner, but I did a tutorial on the holiday planner, and this is it. So I just kind of wanted to show you again. You open it up. It has places for you to write your shopping list. It has a calendar, has a little notepad, holiday menu, favorite recipes, catalog orders, and then a master gift list. And it's really cute. And like I said, there is a tutorial on my channel if you guys are interested in making one of your own. But that is everything that I have for them for this month. And I am excited to give it to them because I think that they will really like it. And I don't know, I think my favorite one of these is probably this teacup, but I don't know, this one's like, they're all really cute. I have such fun doing these. I just love it. That's why I like to share them. So again, if you guys are interested in swapping, please just send me an email and let me know that you are interested, and we can go from there. And for every one that you send me, you will get an entry to win 5 in exchange. So best of luck to you, and I hope that you consider entering, and I can't wait to see what everybody does. So thank you so much, and have a very wonderful day. Bye-bye.